This is Sharpshot 21 again. We're going to try this in a slightly different format. Got a unboxing of this brand new Sena 30K unit. Picked it up off of eBay, brand new, in the box, still sealed. Spent my own money on it, so don't worry, this is my unfiltered opinion. Let's get right into it here. Pretty good sized box. Cover slides off here. Very nicely packaged, I gotta say. Foam spacer. Right on top is the unit. Got the Bluetooth antenna that lives up here. Got the phone button. The mesh network button is up here. The mesh network antenna, you pull to U and it flips open, lets you get to the button. The USB port for charging and firmware update. Excuse me. USB port's there. Phone button, the usual jog dial. We'll set that there. This is your helmet mount. Clamp style. Push button release. Let's see. The aux port for using, I think that's for the headphones. Ambient mode button. Nope, that's for feeding in a comm set. Got a headphone port up front there. Okay, let me try to adjust this down some. There. So we got a headphone port up front. Microphone clicks in. 2 speakers. Set that off to the side. Let's see. Nothing in there. Let's dig down into layer 2 here. Now we've got the USB cord for charging. A 12 volt one with the USB, I guess for charging out of the cigarette lighter or on the bike. Let's see what we got here. Got a user's guide by the looks of it. Got some windsocks. The hybrid mic. So we've got a little bit of a boom and then some flexi. Looks like a sticky mount instead of a clamp mount. Some fuzzies for the speakers. Some spacers for the speakers. That's the aux cord. The full flexi mic will be the one I'll be using. And it looks like various stickies. Let's see. A little triangular one, a little oval one, 2 ovals, and 2 speaker ones. So we'll keep the speaker ones. We'll keep one of those out and take those back. I won't need these. And I'm not going to use this. those can all go back in the bag, as will that. And we'll keep that out. Or we'll put that away, rather. And let's look in this bag, because this looks like we might need something in here. 2 fuzzies, and 2 female Velcros, which we'll put away because we don't need them. Alright. So fairly well put together little piece of kit, actually. Put that back in. I'll have to go through the setup here, and we'll do that in the next video, where we install 30K into my Scorpion EXO R710, and seems like it's going to be a good little unit. We'll let you know how the install goes. Well, you can follow along with that. And then after we ride around with it some, we'll give you my thoughts on it. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you next time. And keep the rubber side down. Ride safe.
New videos are posted every Monday and Thursday at 8 AM Eastern. Please subscribe for notifications of when those go up. Thank you all for watching.